Curating content on your Facebook business page. Now, as you're doing this, you're going to have people coming to your page and checking you out. You want to make sure that you're curating content that actually goes with your page and is congruent. You have to make sure that you know that are you product consistent or business consistent. You got to make sure that the content that you're creating coincides with what your page is actually about and what your brand is about. You want to make sure that your content is valuable, inspirational, possibly even funny, and most of all, educational. When you're curating content, you want to make sure that you're having anywhere from 2 to 4 posts a day on your page, and this can be scheduled. You can use schedulers, there's third-party ones, or you can also use the Facebook scheduler. One thing that you always want to remember is the 90-10 rule. And what that is 90% content that is valuable and educational, and 10% is promotional. So when I say promotional, that might be links or ways for people to be able to opt into something. So you don't always want to be pushing stuff down people's throat, but once in a while you need to. One thing that I've found that works pretty well for my own page is sometimes you want to create content as far as curiosity or some way to raise attention so that people are aware, they know that something's going on, they don't exactly know what, but then it leads to something promotional, something that they can get value from. You're probably wondering, what exactly do I share on my page? Let's go over what I mean by 90% value. Now, 90% value could be anything from images to inspirational quotes to videos to blogs, videos, any type of third-party thing that actually brings value. When I'm talking about 10% promotional, now promotional items are things like webinar links or local meetings, could be conference calls that are coming up. Raise curiosity and just generate fun things for people that they actually want to do, but it does involve business as well. At the end of the day, you want to raise awareness. So if your team members do well, you can post that. You can post something fun, as in, something that you might be doing as a group, or, just overall social media. So you want to make sure you're having a good time and show people that. Now, when we talk about the 90-10 rule, or 2 to 4 times a day, or however you're treating your business page, maybe you only want to post once a day. No matter what you do, you want to make sure you be consistent. So if you're posting once a day, keep it to once a day. If you're doing 2 to 4, do it 2 to 4 times a day. Consistency is key. Consistency is not only going to be viewed by your viewers and people, if you're consistently posting at 8 a.m. every day and your audience knows that, they're going to be looking for that. They're going to, if they get up and they normally see your Facebook Live at 8 a.m. and you don't do it, they're going to be wondering where you're at. And also Facebook keeps track of this as well. Facebook wants to reward you and make sure that they show your consistency to your audience because they know they can depend on you. So let's just take a look at my page. So here is my business page, and if you kind of start scrolling through, you're going to see that there are different inspirational posts that go out from time to time. I like to do different types of videos, and like I said, consistency is key, so I try to make sure I post these. And these ones, since it is a business page, you can use the Facebook tool to actually schedule these posts. So you want to make sure you're throwing out different things and different types of content that is going to relate with people. So as you see, this one here, since it is my business page, I will do something on there talking about business page, talking about things you should on your business page, residual income, MLM, different things that might spike curiosity in the people that actually know what it is that you're talking about. And then as you see here, these are some things from my Aweber. So this is actually something that I sent to my list. I also have blog posts. There's all kinds of things that you want to make sure that you're putting on your business page. As you can tell with my business page, it is all, for the most part, business tips. Once in a while there might be some type of lifestyle or something about my personal life on there, but you want to keep it consistent and you want to keep it congruent with what people are coming to your page for, and that is for the business tips or to try to figure out how exactly to get their business to go. So here's something that I did. It's a testimonial for someone else's course that they were doing, just different things that show that you're in the business and that you can help people. Now let's go over to someone else's page. We can check out Julian Michaels' page, for instance. If we look at her page, you can see that right away you can tell that she's in fitness, as we all know, And if you kind of scroll down through, she's got different types of things, things that she's done that's been able to help people. You're going to find different articles or blog posts that, either she wrote or other people wrote about her. You're going to find all kinds of different things on ways that she can help people and exactly what she can do for you or for her audience. You'll find everything from, looks like she's doing things from diets to photos of herself. You see this, what are your thoughts? She's keeping curiosity going. You can see she does a really good job with her page, keeping everything consistent and keeping people engaged. One thing that I noticed right away is everything here that you see is value-based. Not only is she not blasting her products or company out there, she's branding herself, and she's giving you tons of value. You can sit here for days and keep learning things, whether if it's about her or whether if it's about working out, diets, you name it. She has it all right here. And then you will notice that she also does throw out different opportunities to people where they can join her community, they can join her program, they can join and actually do this alongside of her. So there is opportunity there as well.